So hello all tech enthusiasts. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Enthusiast Shubham. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to waive off our AWS account bill. So what I was facing is that I have recently encountered with a AWS bill of around 2000 rupees. So as a student, I was thinking that how will I pay it? So I thought that why should not I make a video on it? So let's go ahead and see how to waive off AWS bill. So after logging into your AWS management console, you have to here come on this question mark icon. After that, you have to select support center. After coming here you have two options. Either you have to go for the account and billing, or either you have to go for the technical. So here I am facing account and billing issue. So I will click on this, and after that I will click here create a case. Again I have to select whether I have to go for account and billing technical. So I am creating here issue for the account, and in the services you have to select billing, because here I am facing the billing issue, so you have to also select here billing. And after coming here, you have to select dispute a charge, because I have charged AWS has charged me related with my account, so I want to escalate a issue related with the charges on my account. So here I am selecting this. After that, I have to note field. I will directly go further. Skipping this option. You can also skip this option. And here I have already written this because I have recently issued my for my AWS account to waive off my bill. So that's why it is already coming here. In your case, you have to write whatever according to you, or what either you can write according to me also. It's up to you. So I have written here waive off my AWS account bill. And I have written here in a very precise manner. So go to the point. I am a college student using this account only for learning purpose. Please waive off my AWS account. I miss here one thing word. So now it is correct. And after writing this, you have to click on next step. Now here AWS has provided you two options. Either you can go for the solve now, or either you can go for the contact us. I want to immediately solve this problem. So here also they have provided three more options. One is web, second is phone, and third is chat. So here I am selecting phone, and here you have to select your country. I belongs to India, so that's why I am selecting. Here you can select your phone number. Extension is optional. Either you can mention it or you can skip it also. So it was all about this. If you find this video really helpful and informative for you, and it helps you to waive off your bill, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Enthusiast Shubham, because it will really help me to grow this channel, and I want to spread the knowledge of this tech as much as possible from my side. So have a good day, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep growing.